and welcome to Property Cloud. I'm Roshni and today I'm here at Godrej Parka MSR City, which is located in Shettigere North, Bangalore. And this project is being developed by the Godrej Properties, and this Barcelona-inspired project perfectly blends Mediterranean vibes with modern Bangalore living. In this video, we are going to discuss project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. Now let's move inside and take the detailed look at the scale model of the project. So now we are here at the stunning scale model, and this project is 62 acres of integrated township, out of which phase 1 covers total 19 acres and with a total of 5 towers and 1961 units. Each tower has total 5 wings with 4 units per floor, and the elevation of this project is 2 basement plus ground plus 14 floors. You get options in 2 BHK, 3 BHK 2T and 3 BHK 3T with sizes ranging from 1200 to 1900 square feet. Plus there is a massive 20 acres green patch inside the township and the total development size of 6.2 million square feet. And one of the biggest highlight of this project is the connectivity, because nearest metro station, which is Dodda Jalla, is just 2.4 kilometers away and Airport City is just 3 kilometers away. And for families, some of the best educational institutions are right here. Ryan International, DPS, Stonehill, Canadian International School, Reva University and Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. And now if we talk about the amenities, so you get here 3 massive clubhouse with a combined area of 1.47 lakh square feet. Also each tower has total 3 lifts including a service lift. And before moving on to the pricing and configuration, let me tell you that there are only 90 units are left right now in MSR City. 7 units of 3 BHK apartment with a carpet area starting from 1606 square feet, and these apartments are Northwest apartments and price starts from 1.79 crore onwards. 63 units of 3 BHK premium with a carpet area starting from 1694 square feet, and these are Northeast and Northwest facing apartments with a price starts from 1.84 crore onwards. 10 units of 3 BHK luxurious apartment with a carpet area starting from 1864 square feet, and these are Northeast and Northwest facing apartments and price starts from 2.05 crore onwards. And last 10 units of 3 BHK large with a carpet area starting from 2173 square feet, price starts from 2.50 crore onwards. And of course, this project is being developed by the Godrej Properties, a trusted name with decades of credibility, quality construction and transparent delivery. Overall, Godrej MSR City is not just about where you live, it's about how you live. A mix of luxury, comfort, greenery and everyday conveniences. And now let's head to the sample flat. So this is the 3 BHK sample flat of Godrej Parka MSR City. As soon as you enter, you come into a cute little foyer which opens into a spacious living room. The perfect place for your sofa, the TV unit, and it's very bright, open space and easy to set up. And here is the dining area which is perfect for 6 members, and this place comes with attached balcony. So whole room feels airy, open and bright. And on this side you have the kitchen. So this is your kitchen. It's really well planned with 2 counters, the wet area and the dry area. So you get here more space and everything is organized. So you get more working space and everything stays organized. And right behind it, you can see the dry balcony area which is perfect for your washing machine, storage and super useful for keeping things out of the main kitchen area. And moving on to the bedroom. So this is your first master bedroom which comes with attached bathroom. And this is the perfect space for your storage, and you can see how spacious it feels. And also it comes with the floor to ceiling height windows which gives you excellent natural light and the ventilation. This master bedroom is placed on one side for privacy. Also the other 2 bedrooms are separated on the opposite side of the living room. And now let's go to the second bedroom. So this is your second bedroom which also comes with attached washroom. So this is the washroom and it's designed really well. Everything has its own space so it feels neat and easy to use. So this is your wardrobe area, and even the bed placed here, you still get a good walking area. And the best part is this apartment is attached to this balcony. And I love this room because it has its own attached balcony. It brings in natural light and a private space to step out. And now let's head to the third bedroom. So this is your third bedroom with the perfect wardrobe space, and it has good walk-in area, and also this bedroom comes with a floor to ceiling height windows which gives you excellent natural light. If you like this video and want to know more about this project, do click on the link below so we will connect you in the further process. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discounts, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more luxury property updates.